Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into kit. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Paraphernalia. Which means miscellaneous articles, especially the equipment needed for a particular activity. Paraphernalia. For example, drills, saws, and other paraphernalia necessary for home improvements. Number 2. Hardware. Which means tools, machinery, and other durable equipment. Hardware. For example, tanks and other military hardware. Number 3. Equipment. Which means the necessary items for a particular purpose. Equipment. For example, the museum has a collection of early sound recording equipment. Number 4. Tackle. Which means the equipment required for a task or sport. Tackle. For example, fishing tackle. Number 5. Stuff. Which means a person's belongings, equipment, or baggage. Stuff. For example, he took his stuff and went. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.